Hello guys, this is Shravan Kumar. In last class, I taught you about the sentence formation, the sentence which ended with na pada. Today, I am going to teach you about ना पढ़ सकता है. द सेंटेंस विच एंड्स विथ ना पढ़ सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मुझे जाना पड़ सकता है, हमें अंग्रेजी सीखनी पड़ सकती है, तुम्हें पत्र लिखना पड़ सकता है, उन लोगों को टेलीफोन करना पड़ सकता है. मोर एंड मोर सेंटेंसेस बेस्ड ऑन दिस फॉर्मेशन विच एंड्स विथ ना पढ़ सकता है. एंड व्हाट विल बी द फॉर्मेशन? लेट अस सी. ना पढ़ सकता है. एग्जाम स्ट्रक्चर सब्जेक्ट प्लस में प्लस है प्लस इन्फिनिटिव प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट प्लस में प्लस है प्लस इन्फिनिटिव प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, उसे घर पर ठहरना पड़ सकता है. What shall we say? He may have to stay at home. See, he may have to stay at home. उन लोगों को कॉलेज जाना पड़ सकता है. उन लोग को कॉलेज जाना पड़ सकता है. What shall we say? They may have to go to college. See, उन लोगों को कॉलेज जाना पड़ सकता है. They may have to go to college. Is it okay? Now, yes no question. And what I have taught in yes no question, that auxiliary verb should be kept just before subject. And now see here, may plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object plus question mark. See, may plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object plus question mark. क्या तुम्हें ऐसा करना पड़ सकता है? How shall we speak? May you have to do so. May you have to do so. क्या राम को अफसोस करना पड़ सकता है? क्या राम को अफसोस करना पड़ सकता है? What shall we say? May Ram have to regret. Regret means अफसोस करना. May Ram have to regret. Is it okay? Now let us see. Now question, yes no question and negative. Meant plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object then question mark. एग्जाम्पल, क्या उसको ऐसा कदम नहीं उठाना पड़ सकता है? क्या उसको ऐसा कदम नहीं उठाना पड़ सकता है? व्हाट शैल बी से? मेंट ही हैव टू टेक such a step. Meant he have to take such a step. What shall we say? Meant he have to take such a step. क्या राम को वनवास नहीं जाना पड़ सकता है? What shall we say? Meant Ram have to, meant Ram have to go to exile. Meant Ram have to go to exile. Is it clear? Now let us see WH question. May plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object then question mark. See, WH question, may plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object then question mark. उसको क्या करना पड़ सकता है? उसको क्या करना पड़ सकता है? What shall we say? What may he have to do? What may have to do? What may he have to do? तुमको यहाँ कब तक ठहरना पड़ सकता है? तुमको यहाँ कब तक ठहरना पड़ सकता है? What shall we say? How long may you have to stay here? How long may he have to stay here? तुमको यहाँ कब तक ठहरना पड़ सकता है? How long may you have to stay here? See. Now, let us proceed. WH negative. WH question plus meant plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object plus question mark. See, तुम्हें वहां क्यों नहीं जाना पड़ सकता है? तुम्हें वहां क्यों नहीं जाना पड़ सकता है? What shall we say? Why meant you have to go there? Why meant you have to go there? उसको क्या नहीं करना पड़ सकता है? What shall we speak? What meant he have to do? What meant he have to do? See now, negative, subject plus meant plus have plus infinitive plus object plus full stop. उसको परीक्षा नहीं देनी पड़ सकती है। What shall we say? He meant have to take the exam. He meant have to take the exam. उसको परीक्षा नहीं देनी पड़ सकती है। He meant have to take the exam. हमें उससे बात नहीं करनी पड़ सकती है। What shall we say? We meant have to talk to him. We meant have to talk to him. So this is the formation based on ना पढ़ सकता है, and you have learnt all type of sentences based on ना पढ़ सकता है, and now it is up to you to frame more and more sentences, and you will see that when such sentences will come to you, you will easily start speaking. You will not have hesitation. Why not? Because you are already having such formations, you know, and this is accepted across the world. That is why I have been saying that you get on memorizing. Keep memorizing. Go on memorizing. Is it clear to you? Now, let us see. Another formation now. ना पड़ेगा, ना पड़ेगा और ना होगा। जो वादा किया वो निभाना पड़ेगा। रोके जमाना चाहे रोके खुदाई तुझको आना पड़ेगा। If we have to express this song in English, if we are not having the formation which I am going to tell, you will not be able to speak, we shall not be able to speak. Remember it. Tie the knot. गांठ बांध लीजिए। और सीनम, तुम्हें जाना होगा, तुम्हें आना होगा, तुम्हें अंग्रेजी सीखनी होगी, हमें अंग्रेजी में जवाब देना होगा। ना पड़ेगा और ना होगा। Then what will be the structure? See, subject plus shall will plus have plus infinitive plus object. I shall, we shall, or you will, he will, they will, it will, or singular noun will, or they will be will. Understand? But in modern English now simply thou people have started speaking I'll, not I shall or I will, I'll in short form. Is it okay? So now see, मुझे उसको अंग्रेजी पढ़ानी होगी, मुझे उसको अंग्रेजी पढ़ानी होगी, ना होगा, नी होगी, मुझे उसको अंग्रेजी पढ़ानी होगी. What shall we say? I shall have to teach him English. But if we shall make the sentence emphatic, like मुझे उसको अंग्रेजी पढ़ानी ही होगी, then what shall we do? We shall use will instead of shall, or instead of shall will be used, or instead of will shall will be used. Like see here, तुम्हें जाना ही होगा, you shall have to go, not will have to go. तुम्हें जाना पड़ेगा तो you will have to go, तुम्हें जाना ही होगा, that is emphasis. Then we shall say you shall have to go. Is it okay? Is it clear to you? Now see, तुम्हें उसको सबक सिखाना पड़ेगा, you will have to teach him a lesson. See, you will have to teach him a lesson. मुझे उसको अंग्रेजी पढ़ानी होगी, I shall have to teach him English. Is it clear? Now see, yes no question. Shall will plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object, then question mark. Let us take an example. क्या उसको भूखे मरना होगा? क्या उसे भूखे मरना होगा? What shall we say? Will he have to die of hunger? Will he have to die of hunger? क्या राम को इसी साल शादी करनी होगी? क्या राम को इसी साल शादी करनी होगी? What shall we say? Will Ram have to marry this year? Will Ram have to marry this year? Is it clear? Now let us see. Now we shall have 4 formations: affirmative, yes no question, WH question and negative. Because I have already made you learn how to make the sentence based on 6 types that I have already taught. Now see, now we shall do WH question. WH question, shall will plus subject plus have plus infinitive plus object. Let us have an example. उसको अपने जीवन में क्या करना होगा, उसको अपने जीवन में क्या करना होगा, what will he have to do in his life, what will he have to do in his life, उन लोगों को कितना कमाना पड़ेगा, उन लोगों को कितना कमाना पड़ेगा, what shall we say, how much will they have to earn. Let us see, how much will they have to learn, how much will they have to earn. Is it clear? Subject plus shan't, shall not is called shan't, will not is called won't, have plus infinitive plus object. See, subject plus shan't, won't plus have plus infinitive plus object. This is negative. हमें उसको वहाँ नहीं ले जाना पड़ेगा. What shall we say? We shan't have to take him there. Take means लेना और ले जाना. Take means लेना और ले जाना. Is it clear? Let us have another example. पिताजी को हमें विदेश नहीं भेजना होगा. What shall we say? Father won't have to send us abroad. Father won't have to send us abroad. Abroad के पहले to का प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं. Abroad is not preceded by preposition to. जैसे home के पहले to नहीं लगाते, house के पहले to लगाते हैं, foreign के पहले to लगाएंगे, लेकिन abroad के पहले to का प्रयोग नहीं करेंगे. Is it clear? See here, father won't have to send us abroad, and if we shall write to abroad, that will be wrong. Remember this. Are you getting? And the two formation I have taught, ना पढ़ सकता है और ना पढ़ेगा और ना होगा. Now I am going to finish it here. As I told you that I don't want to give you burden. You learn gradually, practice on them, and when you practice, only just keep thinking. Think yourself. There is no need to search in any translation or grammar book. Only sit, because you are sitting idle only, na, that you are only wasting time over there. You are having the time. This is, as I told you, this is golden opportunity, or you have to take advantage of this golden opportunity. So what do you have to do? You have to think sentences based on such formations and express yourself. Keep yourself in front of the mirror. Speak yourself. If there is no company, speak to yourself. Talk to yourself. This is also one of the best ways to learn to speak. At least you are watching your figure, your own face. So keep expressing, keep practicing, and as I have told you, wherever you feel any sort of difficulty, you ask me. And in next class, I will try to answer those questions. If I shall have time, enough time, I will try to tell about all those. So don't feel any sort of hesitation. Keep practicing. So till here, I am finishing, and the next class I will tell more and more formations. So thank you very much.